Looking for a reliable replacement for your GM vehicle's keyless entry remote? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 6-button keyless entry remote offers the exact features you need: lock, unlock, panic, liftgate, lift glass, and remote start, all in one compact device. It's designed to match the performance and durability you expect from General Motors. What sets this remote apart is its seamless compatibility with your GM vehicle. As a brand new OE replacement, it ensures the same quality and service life as your original remote. Plus, it comes with the battery included, so you're ready to go right out of the box without extra purchases or hassle. Programming this remote is straightforward for many vehicles. Some owners have successfully set up their remotes in under 5 minutes by following simple instructions or watching online tutorials. That means you might avoid the extra cost and time of visiting a GM dealer or ACDelco service center. However, depending on your model, professional programming might still be necessary. Check the included instructions to see what applies to your vehicle. One satisfied customer shared that they replaced 2 lost remotes quickly and affordably, paying less than half the price of dealership replacements. The easy programming process and OEM quality gave them peace of mind without breaking the bank. This remote truly delivers what you expect from an original equipment part at a great value. If you want a keyless entry remote that fits perfectly, performs reliably, and includes all the essential functions for your GM vehicle, this ACDelco 6-button remote is worth considering. It's built to last and backed by GM's trusted standards, so you get a product that works as hard as you do. Whether you're replacing a lost remote or upgrading your current one, this remote offers convenience and control at your fingertips. The liftgate and lift glass buttons add extra functionality, while the remote start button lets you warm up your vehicle before you even step outside. It's practical, efficient, and designed with your needs in mind. If that's you, someone who values quality, ease of use, and genuine compatibility, this GM recommended replacement remote is a smart choice. Try it when you're ready, and experience how smoothly it fits into your daily routine. Reliable keyless entry is just a click away.